Are you ready to transform your cooking and reclaim valuable kitchen space? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here, making gourmet meals incredibly simple and fast. This single appliance replaces 9 common kitchen gadgets, truly a game changer for any home chef looking for efficiency. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, and even making yogurt, all with one sleek device on your countertop. It's the ultimate kitchen upgrade. With 15 customizable smart programs, from soup to cake, you can easily achieve perfect results, even if you're a beginner. These intuitive presets take the guesswork out of cooking, helping you create healthy, delicious meals faster than ever before. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures even cooking is super easy to clean and promotes healthy, non-toxic meal prep. What makes the Duo Plus truly special is its versatility, combined with user-friendly design, setting it apart from other multi-cookers on the market. If you're wondering where to buy this fantastic kitchen tool, you'll find the Amazon link for the Instant Pot Duo Plus in the description below. Don't miss out on what many are calling the best kitchen appliance for 2025. We absolutely recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus for anyone serious about simplifying their cooking and enjoying delicious, homemade food.